Hello, the boat show lovers. We are in Switzerland, the land of mountains, chocolate, and fine watches, but also of top-notch instrumentation. Yes, you heard me right. Within these beautiful landscapes, there's a place where cutting-edge products are being developed as we speak. And that is exactly where I'll be taking you today. Have you ever been on board of a boat and in front of advanced instruments and thought, who comes up with this stuff? And how does the idea become reality? Well, I have the answers. Actually, I don't have the answers, but Veratron does. You know when they say something or someone has an old soul? That is exactly how we could describe Veratron. This company was founded in 2018, but is made of a team of highly specialized people who have been in the business for more than 45 years. What business am I talking about? Technology. More specifically, premium technological instruments designed for the marine, power sports, and automotive market. In the past, you might have known their products under the name VDO Marine, which was part of the Continental brand. But then, in 2018, part of the management bought out the marine and PA business and founded the company Veratron, which today is market leader in engine mounting systems and serving all major engine manufacturers in the marine market. Any instrument you see on a boat comes from an idea, but as we all know, to develop that concept isn't always an easy thing to do. But you need the right people, the right plan, the right material, and that's exactly what they do here at Veratron. They work hard every day to deliver top quality solutions and products to their customers.
Here in the mechanical department, we bring initial product sketches to life. This transition happens through the creation of virtual 3D models of the product to make sure that it's functional and sustainable for serial production. For every component of the assembly, we only trust premium materials to make sure that we satisfy all the critical reliability requirements that outdoor instrumentation requires. What we're seeing right now, for instance, is the model of the VMH35, a new generation of round color display which offers a very low power consumption and high readability under sunlight. It features an analog to NMEA 2000 gateway and an embedded GPS receiver, making it the perfect standalone instrument for outboard engines. Here is where we develop the core of our products, from the first draft of the hardware development to the final PCB layout and the software that is running on the microcontroller. At Veratron, we have full R&D competencies, which allows us to have full control over the complete product development process. Thanks to the broad expertise of our R&D members, we're able to handle several technologies, from the real-time analog and digital signal processing up to the newest wireless interfaces, including mobile app development and user interfaces development too.
Now that we know how the start of an idea evolves into something much more, let's check out where the concept comes to life. That means the production area. But first, let's put on the protective coat.
Here is the point where everything starts. This is the PCB department. Here next to me with the high-speed circuit board placement for SMD and BGA components. After that we have some checking points of the PCBs like X-ray, in-circuit test and automated optical inspections. Swissmade is a commitment to produce instruments, premium instruments on the highest quality standards. As soon as the PCBs passed all quality checks in the PCB department, they will forward to the assembly area. And here we have the fully and semi-automated assembly lines for our customer and platform products. To guarantee a long lifetime of our products, we have also in the assembly area multiple quality checks like camera inspections, we have end-of-line inspection and also some checks by the operator itself. For the automated assembly lines is mostly camera and end-of-line inspection. for semi-automated lines, we have also some educated operator. They also check our products based on functionality and cosmetic point of view.
To guarantee top quality to their customers, inspections are being made every step of the way.
Our well-known product quality could not be achieved without our fully equipped validation lab, where we are able to perform in-house all the validation tests that our internal quality policies and the global legislation requires. Moreover, in the laboratory we are able to perform a variety of tests ranging from the vibration to salt spray, UV and IP protection class tests, which are particularly of interest for our market. The laboratory has received an official accreditation according to ISO 17025, which allows us to offer as a service environmental tests also to external parties.
Veratron has a sales department which is highly specialized in helping customers find the equipment they need. But one thing that should not be taken for granted is what happens after the product is purchased. In fact, Veratron is a company that guarantees and supplies after-sales service support to their customers. Anything you need, they have.
In the future of the Veratron, we will continue to create value for our customer. We are supporting our customer in their development for more efficient and less pollution devices and systems. In 2021, connectivity is a must. We already developed a main interface between vehicle and portable device. We will continue to explore in this direction.
So now when you hop on board of a boat, you know exactly what is behind groundbreaking instrumentation. Hard work, research, innovation, lots of quality control and testing. And that's exactly what they do here at Veratron. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time, always here, always on The Boat Show.